AI in farming. AI in farming. Beginner level. Introduction. AI in farming, also called smart agriculture or precision agriculture, refers to using artificial intelligence to improve farming practices, crop production, and agricultural efficiency. Farming involves many challenges such as weather changes, soil conditions, pest attacks, water management, crop diseases. AI helps farmers make better decisions and automate tasks, making agriculture more productive, efficient, sustainable, cost-effective. Examples of AI in farming include crop monitoring using drones, soil analysis, smart irrigation systems, disease detection in plants, yield prediction. This topic helps beginners understand how AI is used in agriculture. What is AI in farming? AI in farming is the use of intelligent systems to improve agricultural processes. In simple words, AI in farming equals using smart technology to grow crops better and smarter. A beginner-level system includes soil monitoring, crop health detection, irrigation control, weather prediction, yield estimation. Why AI in farming is important. Farming faces many problems: unpredictable weather, water shortages, crop diseases, labor shortages. AI helps by increasing crop yield, reducing water usage, detecting diseases early, improving efficiency, reducing costs. Key features of AI in farming. Feature purpose: crop monitoring, track crop health, soil analysis, check soil quality, smart irrigation, optimize water use, disease detection, identify plant diseases, yield prediction, estimate crop production. Example farming data. AI systems use data like farming data equals soil moisture, 30, temperature, 28, crop health, good, rain expected, false. Simple irrigation example, soil moisture equals 30. If soil moisture less than 40, print, turn on irrigation, else, print, no watering needed. How AI in farming works. Step 1. Collect data. AI collects data from soil sensors, weather stations, drones, satellites, farm equipment. Example, temperature equals 25, moisture equals 35. Step 2. Analyze conditions. AI analyzes crop and soil conditions. Example, if moisture less than 40, print, soil is dry. Step 3. Detect problems. AI detects issues like disease or water shortage. Example, crop health equals poor. If crop health equals poor, print, check crop for disease. Step 4. Take action. AI can control irrigation, alert farmers, recommend fertilizers. Example, if moisture less than 40, print, activate irrigation system. AI in crop monitoring, tracks crop health using sensors or images. Health equals good. If health equals good, print, crops are healthy. AI in soil analysis, analyzes soil conditions. Soil quality equals low. If soil quality equals low, print, add fertilizer. AI in smart irrigation, optimizes water usage. Rain expected equals false. If not rain expected, print, water crops. AI in disease detection, detects plant diseases. Print, apply treatment. AI in yield prediction estimates crop production. Growth equals 80. If growth equals 70, print, high yield expected. Full menu-based AI farming system, Python. Def check soil. Moisture equals int, enter soil moisture. If moisture less than 40, print, irrigation needed. Else, soil moisture sufficient. Def crop health. Health equals input, crop health good poor. If health equals poor, print inspect crops. Else, print crops healthy. Irrigation. Rain equals input, rain expected. Yes, no. If rain equals no, print start irrigation. Else, no watering needed. Def yield prediction. Growth equals int, enter growth level. If growth equals 70, print high yield expected. Else, moderate yield. While true, print none equals n1 check soil. Print 2, crop health. Print 3, irrigation. Print 4, yield prediction. Choice equals input, enter choice. If choice equals 1, check soil. If choice equals 2, crop health. If choice equals 3, irrigation. If choice equals 4, yield prediction. If choice equals 5, break. Else, print invalid option. Concepts learned from AI in farming: data collection and analysis, automation, prediction systems, resource optimization, environmental monitoring. Real-life analogy: AI in farming is like a smart farmer assistant who monitors soil and crops, predicts weather, detects problems early, suggests actions, improves crop yield. Ways to improve this project. You can enhance this project by adding IoT sensors, drone image analysis, machine learning models, weather API integration, mobile app dashboard, smart greenhouse system. Common mistakes beginners make: ignoring environmental factors, using simple logic for complex problems, not considering real-time data, oversimplifying crop health, ignoring seasonal changes. Where AI in farming is used, AI farming systems are used in agriculture farms, greenhouses, agri-tech companies, food production systems, smart irrigation systems. Advanced systems include drone-based crop monitoring, AI-powered tractors, automated irrigation, precision agriculture systems. Simple definition: AI in farming: the use of artificial intelligence to improve crop production, efficiency, and sustainability in agriculture. Final summary: AI in farming is a powerful application of AI in agriculture. It helps beginners learn smart agriculture systems, automation, prediction, resource management. It plays a key role in feeding the growing global population.